Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram business page. So let's start. First open the Instagram app. Now go to your profile from bottom right corner. Here you can see my profile is a personal profile. So when you are making a page for business you have to create an account first and then switch it to a business account. Now let me show you how you can do that. Now tap on the three bars on top right corner and go to settings. Now tap on account. And at the bottom you'll see switch to professional account. Tap on that. Now tap continue. Now you have to select a category. Now tap next and tap OK. And your professional account is created. If you're opening for your business, then select business. Or if you're a public figure or a content producer or an artist, then select creator. Since we're creating a business account, we'll stick with business and tap continue. Now you have to enter your business email and your business phone number. Also your business address. When you are done, tap save and then tap next. Now it will ask you to connect to your Facebook account. You can also connect to a Facebook page. I'll just skip this step. And your business account has been created. Now tap on complete profile to complete your profile. First type in your business name. Then edit your username. Add a website if you have any. Now add a bio. Tap on the tick icon on top right corner when you are done. Tap on the tick icon again. Now you can invite your friends. You can invite your friends via various social media streams. Now if you tap on share photos and videos, you will see that you have to share 3 posts on the first week to get more engagements. Now tap on the cross icon on top right corner. And here you will see that your page has been turned into a business page. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.